Hey, I want to tell you about one of my dolls and its message because it feels relevant at this time. This doll's name is The Unraveling of the Black and White. And the way that I make my dolls is I do a journaling process with the spirit of the doll in order to find out what it needs in order to come into physical form. So I want to tell you a little bit about how I created this doll. It first asked to be covered in really vibrant, colorful fabric and beads. So I wrapped the whole body in these colors. And then it asked to be covered with black and white fabric. So I began to cut strips of black and white fabric and wrap the body over top of the color. The other thing about this doll is its head is made from a styrofoam ball covered with paper clay on the front to make its face. And I was going to add more paper clay and some hair to the head when the doll told me in the journaling process that it was complete. It was done as is. And this really bothered me because I much preferred the colorful fabric that I had originally covered it with. And I also didn't like the fact that the head was bare on the back. It didn't look complete to me. And the doll had a really important message for me that I feel is universal and helpful to all of us, especially at this time. So I'll read it to you. She said, "The present moment holds our completeness. There are always layers to peel away, parts we'd like to change or embellish. Sometimes this present moment doesn't look or feel pretty. There's a creative, colorful way to live, but you can't judge something and at the same time perceive its wholeness. Letting go of your rules or judgments will reveal the wonder and the beauty in each moment." So I was covering up life's color and richness with my own need for control, with my own judgments about what should be. And I feel it's really important for us to take a couple steps back in space and time so that we can access a bigger picture. Because our perceptions and our feelings about our current experience are sourced from beliefs and judgments that keep us from accessing that bigger picture. The fact is, sometimes life doesn't look pretty and it doesn't feel good. But that could be exactly what we need in order to transform into something that is rich and colorful, probably more so than we could ever imagine. So if we want to experience this creative, colorful, rich life, then we have some work to do. And I'll leave you with these questions to consider. How can I unravel my judgment? How can I unravel my perception of what should be? How can I unravel my black and white? Thanks.